Good morning, everyone. This is Gary Kay, and we're doing a special Rants and Raves podcast because we're doing it by video today. I'm joined by Jerome Gross. Jerome is the VP of Sales for EMEA for Extron. Hey, Jerome, how are you?
Hi, Gary. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Hey, I appreciate you joining me today, and appreciate you staying in the office because it's early here but late there. Hey, Extron's introduced some new power amplifiers with Dante connectivity. Can you tell me a little bit about this?
Yes, of course. Our new Energy Star qualified NetPA Ultra amplifiers offer all the advantages of our award-winning XPA Ultra amplifiers with added power and flexibility of Dante network audio distribution. So the first two models in the series have been introduced: 2-channel NetPA Ultra 1002 and the 4-channel NetPA Ultra 1004. So they are ideal for smaller applications. So with Dante connectivity, these amplifiers enable decentralized and reliable distribution of Dante audio to multiple speaker zones throughout the facility. So both models offer an onboard DSP with a mix matrix, so 8x8 on the NPA Ultra 1004 and 6x6 on the NetPA Ultra 1002. So the internal DSP allows for dual input and output processing. We have 100 volt and 70 volt models, as well as 8 or 4 ohm low impedance models available in each size. All NetPA Ultra series amplifiers are designed with Extron patented technologies with ripple suppression, distortion reduction, soft switching, and power conversion. So they include ultra-fast wake-up time and also power factor correction that minimizes high-frequency harmonics in the AC power line for truly pristine audio quality. NetPA Ultra series amplifiers feature all advanced thermal engineering. They are energy efficient, so they conserve energy and reduce costs. They feature convection-cooled, fanless operation, so they can be stacked without extra space for ventilation. So for anyone looking for a compact, energy-qualified, and Dante-enabled power amplifier, the new NetPA Ultra series is engineered by Extron to exceed expectations.
Well, I want to change gears a little bit because obviously as we're getting to higher and higher resolutions, more and more installations are moving towards fiber optic. And you have a new series of fiber optic matrix switchers and extenders that I heard about. I read something about it even in our own publication. Tell me about those.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we are very, and I'm especially very excited about the new FOX3 series. It's a complete solution for end-to-end 4K video and USB extension. So extension, distribution, and switching over long distances. It's an enterprise fiber platform that supports HDMI 2.0 data rates up to 18 gig, and it's, of course, HDCP 2.2 compliant. So what we are talking about is secure transmission of uncompressed 4K 60 444 video over 2 fiber or mathematically lossless video over 1 fiber. So whether you are looking for basic point-to-point extension all the way up to fully non-blocking matrix applications up to 2000 by 2000 and beyond. So FOX3 systems will deliver unrivaled performance and reliability to satisfy even the most discerning users. So the FOX3 matrix series utilize a modular design, so with hot swappable boards to support a wide variety of system configurations. Boards are available in multi-mode for short, moderate range transmission distances or in single mode for long range transmission. Those boards can be added at any time in the field for quick and easy upgrades or expansion. But that's not all. Each individual input and output can be linked using software. And signal routing can be bidirectional, which is ideal for USB signals. So we can streamline system integration in keyboard, video, and mouse applications. So FOX3 switchers feature USB device class filtering and HID-only ports, which are very important for high security deployments. Even with all this, we can still maintain secure unidirectional data flows for video and audio. So as a matter of fact, the FOX3 series is designed for secure system. All FOX3 matrix switchers use two methods to ensure sensitivity data is properly segregated and protected. So priority switching and secure partitioning. Priority switching is useful in systems with multiple security classification levels. It assigns a security level to each input and output. An output can only be tied to an input at the same security level or lower, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data. So secure partitioning enables the matrix switcher to be divided into smaller sub-switchers for segregating sources and destination. Sources can be routed to destinations within the same partition. So yes, we are very excited to set the new standard in fiber optic distribution with the new FOX3 series.
Well, I want to ask you about your new control system stuff because Extron didn't start as a control company, but in the last decade, really evolved quite a bit from simple control now to full-featured, fully functional, very powerful new controllers. Tell me about the new IPCP series of Pro controllers.
Yeah, that's obviously a very important step as we are growing, as you mentioned, into more advanced control. And to do advanced control, we were looking for more powerful IPCP controllers. And that's the whole purpose of that new IPCP Pro XI series. These are almost the most powerful AV control processors that we have so far. They have up to 4 times more memory and significantly enhanced processing power than anything we've introduced to date. So on the XI models, you'll see an upgrade single core microprocessor, while on the QXI model feature an ultra fast quad core processor. So all this added power under the hood, as it were, means increased deployment speeds, improvements in runtime functionality, and of course, support for more sophisticated projects. So in addition to increases in performance, these new processors feature advanced security standards and gigabit Ethernet, so which ensures compatibility with multiple TouchLink Pro touch panels and network button panels using a standard network infrastructure. So the new IPCP Pro XI series control processors are ideal choice for controlling multiple devices and control signal types within today's most challenging control system designs. And of course, security is understandably a big part of our vision for these new controllers. We focus on security in the same way we do on other technologies, always pursuing improvement and innovation. So our approach is unique in that, unlike other manufacturers, security is built into our technologies, not just bolt-on, or that really shows with these end-to-end secure IPCP Pro XI series control processors. They support the latest industry standard secure communication protocols, such as 802.1x, of course, HTTPS, and SSH, just to name a few. So the new IPCP Pro XI series control processors are an ideal choice for controlling multiple devices and control signal types within today's most challenging control system designs.
So last year, I think it was last year, you started delivering a DSP with something called Flex Inputs. I find this very interesting. Can you explain to my listeners and viewers the significance of the Flex Inputs and how they fit into your overall plan to expand your Dante support? Sure.
Yeah. Last year we introduced the DMP 128 Flex Plus series of flexible DSPs for Dante systems. So these are compact Dante digital matrix processors that feature 12 flex input channels with full DSP, including AC and Dante connectivity. So they also feature an extensive mix matrix, a USB audio interface, and analog capability. And all this functionality is packed into a compact half rack size. So these digital matrix processors are ideal for applications that use Dante ceiling microphone arrays. So you know, these mic arrays use as many as 8 or even 12 channels of Dante.
Yep.
But with network connectivity for 48 Dante sources and 24 Dante destinations, along with a built-in 2-port gigabit switch, the DMP128 Flex Plus processor makes it easy to create very cost-effective audio systems. We have been working hard to expand our support for Dante, and these DMP128 Plus DSPs are a big part of that. In addition, many of our other DMPs include support for Dante, as well as the new FOX3 series of fiber optic matrix switchers and the NetPA ultra amplifiers we discussed earlier. So you are going to see a lot more from Extron in the future as we continue to expand our support for Dante and network audio.
Well, I appreciate you giving me an update on the new stuff. And I think what you're talking about is what everybody's really interested in right now. Congratulations on all the new products. By the way, congratulations on your success at Extron. You and I go back a long way as friends from a long time ago.
30 years. That was the first time we met.
Well, I wasn't going to tell everybody that, but okay, it was the first time we met, and it's been a while. It's been a great evolution of the industry, and I appreciate you joining me today. It was good to see you again, and thanks for doing this. Of course, you can find all this information at extron.com, extron.com, and of course, we covered all this. If you go to our website at raypubs.com, type in Extron in the video search window. All of these products are covered there as well. So thanks, Jerome. I really appreciate it.
And hope to see you all in Amsterdam.
Yeah, I'll see you there. In fact, that's your home stage. So we'll be there. You'll be there, and appreciate it. And have a great day.
Thank you. Bye, Gary.
Bye-bye.